Think you're rowing right? Here's a truth bomb. Most people who do seated cable rows aren't training their back, they're training their ego. Yeah, I said it. Because if your shoulders are rolling forward, your lower back is rounding, and you're yanking the weight like you're starting a lawnmower, you're not building muscle, you're building bad habits. But today, I'm going to fix that permanently. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to row in a way that activates your lats so deeply you'll feel muscles you didn't even know existed. Let's start with the stuff that secretly kills your gains. Mistake number 1, turning the row into a biceps exercise. Most people pull with their arms first. If your elbows bend before your shoulders move, congrats, you're basically doing a seated biceps curl. Mistake number 2, hunching forward. When your back rounds, your lats shut off, your spine takes the load, and your shoulders get punished. Question for you. If your goal is a big, wide back, why are your shoulders doing all the work? Mistake number 3, leaning too far back. If you look like you're doing a mini deadlift every rep, you're letting momentum cheat your muscles. Mistake number 4, shrugging the shoulders up. Shrugging turns the movement into a trap workout. Your lats, the muscles you're actually here for, stay sleeping. I know you're recognizing at least one of these. And the good news? Every mistake you just heard has a simple fix. But I'm not giving you all the fixes yet. First, let's fix the foundation. Before you even pull, the row starts with your setup. Step 1, sit tall. Imagine a string pulling your head upward. Your spine should feel long, not stiff, just aligned. Step 2, chest proud, shoulders low. Think of your shoulders like elevator doors. Don't let them rise up. Pull them down and back gently. This is the skyscraper foundation moment. Your core is the ground floor. You wouldn't build a building on a shaky base, right? Step 3, grip the handle and lock your lats. Here's a light bulb moment. Instead of gripping with your hands, grip with your lats. To do this, imagine your elbows are hooks, not levers. We're getting closer, but now comes the part most lifters get wrong. Phase 1, shoulders first. Before your elbows do anything, pull your shoulders slightly back, just 2 to 3 centimeters. This activates your mid-back and lats instantly. Phase 2, elbows drive back. But here's the secret. Don't think pull the handle. Think pull your elbows toward your hips. Feel that difference? That's your lats turning on. Phase 3, stop at neutral. You don't need to over-row the handle into your stomach. Stop when elbows reach your body. Any further equals momentum and shoulder strain. You're doing the basics, now let's level up. Advanced tip number 1, control the negative. The lowering phase builds the most muscle. If you let the weight yank you forward, you're losing 50% of the gains. Think slow out, strong in. Advanced tip number 2, keep wrists neutral. A bent wrist kills tension. A straight wrist equals maximum back activation. Advanced tip number 3, stance and distance. If you sit too close, you hunch. Too far, you lean back. A good rule, knees slightly bent, cable just above shoulder height when extended. Advanced tip number 4, end range expansion. At the end of the rep, let your lats stretch, but without rounding your spine. Imagine reaching forward like you're handing someone a water bottle. Controlled, smooth, no collapsing. Let's compare. Wrong form, rounding back. Using momentum, pulling with your biceps, shrugging, leaning way back. Short, choppy reps. Right form, tall spine, shoulders down and back. Engage your core. Shoulders initiate the movement. Elbows drive toward your hips. Stop at neutral. Control the entire rep. Stretch forward without rounding. One feels heavy and sloppy. The other feels powerful and smooth. Closing, summary, challenge. Let's recap the perfect seated cable row. Sit tall with chest open, shoulders down and back. Engage your core. Shoulders initiate the movement. Elbows drive toward your hips. Stop at neutral. Control the entire rep. Stretch forward without rounding. Now here's your challenge. Go grab the cable machine and do 10 flawless reps. Not heavy, just perfect. Feel how different your back engages. That feeling, that's real training. If you want more videos like this, form fixes, muscle building tips, and no-nonsense coaching, stick around, hit subscribe, and keep leveling up. Because your strongest version is built rep by rep.